Are you ready for the coming changes? As an astrologer, I can tell you that there are going to be a lot of them. And kicking off in March this year, we have a major alignment change, a shift, if you like. Pluto, the planet of power, moves into a new sign, the sign of Aquarius, which is the sign of freedom and liberation. This is really about liberating our power. And we want to know if you're ready for that.
Where do you get your power from? Most people are disempowered by the past and disempowered by the future. That's where fear and anxiety come from. Your point of power is in the present moment. That's something that I've learned in my life. What shifted me more than anything else is the realization of the power of now. We have a new course starting on the 26th of January where we will take you through 13 modules to help you shift your life from disempowerment into empowerment.
And it is really designed to help you to truly connect with the power that is within you. So often we give our power away to the authorities, to the people around us. This is about actually taking our power back, accessing it, and learning how to focus that power, learning how to direct that power to actually assist in the ascension of mankind. This is huge.
And one thing you're going to learn is that you are powerful beyond measure. You're not a victim of circumstance. You're a creator of the universe. It's a case of awakening to that power that we have within us. We'd like to invite you to join us for our Journey to Freedom course, our new one, which starts on the 26th of January. We kick off with a Zoom call that evening. We have a 7-day free module called
Vision 2023. And that's really about how you're focusing your vision. Where are you focusing your vision? Because whatever we're focusing our vision on, that's what we're going to manifest. That's what's going to grow. So what are you actually focusing on? And how can you actually direct that focus more clearly? The 1-week course and the 13-week course are both designed to help you gain practical tools to help you to navigate all the changes that we're going to be experiencing.
This journey is about letting go of all that we're not so that we can discover who we really, really, really are. The powerful beings that we are. Just click the link below and you'll be taken to our website where all the information is. We'd love to be your host in Vision 2023.
Join us. We look forward to seeing you there.